Check this out, man. Look at you people are crazy. Posted one day ago, 90 some views. And what did I do here? What did I do here? I outed one of the three most decent human beings I've ever met on YouTube. In a good way. In a good way. With lots of respect and love. I outed him. And apparently people enjoyed it. And let's take a look here. 9 views. Posted 3 days ago. Right here, right? What's wrong with you people, man? You guys are crazy. Have you never used a terminal session to edit your fstab file to auto mount a partition? It's fun. Or, in the words of a college student, a young person, it's fun. It's satisfying. You feel like for a change you have some control over the goddamned machine. Oh well. More Linux to come. Stay tuned. 73.